Okay, what's going on, guys? Today, just gonna be a little solo ride. Sorry if I'm loud. Last time I ran the setup with my mic, I had it on the tip of my sweatshirt, which was like kind of on my chin. This is a new mic placement and a new GoPro mount that I wanted to try out. So that's what we're doing today. A little solo ride. I'm pretty sure everyone else would want it to ride, but I kind of just didn't want to be around them because, to be honest, they're not that fast.
Bruh.
And the only person I knew who is actually kind of fast is a little bit broken down. Z-Razor. But yeah, anyway, we're just gonna be doing a little solo ride. I got wires hanging on my chest right now because shoot, I should have done cable management. Decided not to. I feel the freaking soft part, whatever it is. It feels super good. I feel it on my chin right now. It's kind of like a massage. I feel like I have a beard. This stupid freaking light goes green. Oh my gosh. Holy wind, holy wind, holy wind. I can't even hear myself. I did not expect to be this cool on such a hot day. We're gonna take a quick stop here because I need to do some cable management. And, yeah. See how I can do this.
5 minutes later.
Okay, we're back. We're gonna... Well, actually, never mind. I was trying to fix the cable management. Didn't really work that well, so I'm just not gonna do it. But yeah, took a little bit of feedback. People want me to talk a little more. I'm down to do that. I just don't know what to talk about, so prepare for maybe most of the video will just be me ranting about some random stuff, because I kind of just want to fulfill your guys' wishes for my YouTube videos. Alright, but anyway, where should we go, left or right? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Dude, I swear, no hate to Tudio Kid, but bro, oh my gosh, the hill is not that bad. Holy wind, holy wind, holy wind. Shoot, I don't even know what the wind sounds like. I've only heard my voice, so I'm gonna just start speaking. Dude, I could literally just stand still and it'd probably ambush me. Here, watch. Bro, it's hot, but windy. It's so windy today, get it? I was gonna bring my speaker. I actually have it on me, but I'm not gonna, just use it. Music's cool, I like listening to it, but I don't want you guys to hear two things at the same time. Okay, I gotta be efficient. I'm not even going that fast, the wind just sucks. But yeah, we're gonna have to do a little bit of a turn. We're taking the road and moving onto the sidewalk while going like 50. Can I do it? I think I can do it. Here we go. That was way easier than I thought, because I forgot this part exists. I thought it was turn and then you make it here, but I guess not. Here, hold up. Can we go through here? Whoa, where am I? Oh wait, never mind. Alright, we're back. But yeah, we got, forgot the name, I'll link it in the description. Shoot, you can go way faster on that little razor on the sidewalks than I can. Because this big old freaking bike is hard to rotate with.
Have you already gone up the hill?
I'm down to go again. I don't really mind. Might run to the Starbucks after this because I'm oh shoot, I do have my water. And I didn't even drink it.
Wait to cross mission at industrial.
Shut up, stupid speaker, bro. Oh my gosh. Shoot, this is my danger zone. If I were to brake a little later, I would have smashed right in a wall. Ah, shoot. I gotta be careful through these little freaking areas, man. I feel like a freaking motocross dude. And these little thingus, little trials guy. Running sidewalk. Oh, he went in. This is my chance. I remember a long time ago, it was when I first started riding out of my area. Freaking, it was right here. It was right here, and then you just see the thing. I'll pop up a picture.
That took me 5 minutes to get up here.
Crap. Shoot, we're going
Where do you want to go now?
Shoot, since we're, you know what? Let's just move over right here.
I have to take the sidewalk.
Alright. Yeah. Maybe we should do that. Holy brakes, dude. Oh, dude, my freaking watch keeps reminding me on how loud it is. I'm like, bro, calm the freak down. It's loud, but I got a helmet on. I can hear perfectly fine. What's the fastest of 56? Rookie numbers. Rookie numbers. I think my motor is getting a little warm because it's noticeably losing power. You know, that's the thing, my motor, it doesn't really move that quick because when it gets hot, it doesn't really move that well. When it gets hot, it just doesn't give that much power. So, Steve, that's what happened yesterday. I was freaking cruising at like, like 65. And I go home because I notice my mode 3 feels like mode 1. Want to see mode 1 full throttle at the start? Dude, it's super slow. Like, super slow. I was in mode 3, struggling to get my way back home, but I wasn't that far, so.
Walk sign is on cross.
But bro, oh my gosh, it sucked, but not gonna lie, I don't know why. I thought it was pretty cool that I actually got the bike to struggle. I touched my motor when I got home, bro, burnt my finger. Yo, is that guy wearing the Sid shirt? Oh shoot. Holy crap, I got so scared. The guy you passed throwing stuff at you, bro. He was.
Really?
Yeah, I'm like, holy.
I swear I heard something touch my helmet.
I gotta get out of here. So I hit her in mode 3, swerve. I'm like, I gotta get out.
I swear I hit something and hurt my helmet. Like,
Holy crap. Hopefully nothing hit me.
sketchy. I was kind of scared because I passing too.
You know, he was dangerous. He had the Sid shirt on. Oh my gosh. Bro, he was chucking it. He was like full swing and everything. Yeah, it looked like white little circles. I don't know.
I think it was rocks. Probably.
Yeah, that.
Did you press the button?
No, maybe I should. No, it's fine. I don't think the button does anything. It just alerts you when to go. Because I've noticed that, like, it doesn't really change speed. Yo, it's hot today, bro. I can't even put my goggles down. I gotta put them up because my GoPro's where I put them. Honestly, don't know. I know where we're going. I forgot how to get there though, so. Yeah. Go, man, how cool it would be to have a bike just to throw around. I'm kidding, I do have one. This bike, I can throw it around, just not as easily as a Razor. Oh, it's right here. I don't even see it. That's the entrance. I got an idea, then we have to go back out.
Oh, okay.
We have to park like in front of like the colors. That'd be cool. I'm gonna park on orange. I don't know how. Alright guys, I'm back. Probably gonna end it soon, so there won't be a lot of footage left after this. Okay, so the camera actually died here, so I'm probably gonna end it now. See ya.